In this video, we will see how to fix error code 223. The file size exceeds the limit allowed and cannot be saved. Error file 2 LORs on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, your destination drive not support you, then here are the fixes. Open this PC or my computer and plugged in your destination drive, either pen drive or USB drive. Right click on it and choose rename this destination drive. Your destination drive where you want to copy your files or folders, right click on it and choose rename, and rename your destination drive first. After renaming, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, right click on it, your destination drive, right click on it and choose its properties and check file system type of this destination drive. Choose properties and make sure that your file system type is NTFS. If it's not FAT32, then close the windows and format your destination drive. Right click on it and choose format. Here, go to file system type, click on a small arrow and from the drop down menu choose NTFS and make the check against option quick format and click on a start. Don't forget to copy your other items, important items on this drive and keep save on another location, and after that follow on a screen instruction to format your destination drive and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type services.msc. Services windows will now open. Here under available services, scroll down and look for Windows Web Client Services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that it is in a start mode. Service status should be a start. If not, then click on start and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command, this 3 DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc / scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Follow on screen instruction, wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.